Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is very important because in this topic we will discuss how we can make the checkbox with the task, and after completing the task how it will show the completed status and how we will get the strike on the particular task. So here you can see the example in which we have the particulars which we have to perform or which we have already performed, like college fees it has completed. That's why we have just tick here. Now for suppose if I just complete the grocery items, and now here it's pending, and if I just completed it, so I just click here tick, and here you can see the strike here and the status completed here. So how we can make such type of example here by using a very simple techniques, let's look at it. But before that, it's a humble request to kindly watch the full video to get the benefit of these types of stuff. In the sheet, first we have to just write here zoom in so it will be visible to all the audience. Now we have to write here first task, and then we have to write here the particulars, and the last one is status. So you can write the particulars as per your own needs. I'll use the same particulars as I have used here, so just need to copy and paste here to save our time. Now I just need to select all the cells, and here you can see I just use here center alignment, and then I just use here the thick border box, and then all borders. So here you can see it will be more attractive to everyone. Now what we have to do, we have to use here checkbox. With the help of that checkbox we can connect this to the status. Like if I just tick on the checkbox, so it will tell us the completed status. If I just untick here, so it will tell us the pending. So how we can use the checkbox? For using the checkbox we have to use the developer option, and in the developer option we can see here the insert function, and in the insert function it says the box. Now we have to just select the cell, and here we will cut the checkbox. But before that we have to just erase the written things in it, like checkbox 1. So I just erase it and place that checkbox in the suitable direction or suitable way. Now I just need to drag it down, so we will get the checkbox in all these cells. Now I just need to link the checkbox to the cell. So how I just linked it, I just write here right click, and here you can see the format control, and in the format control you'll get the box, and in the box we have the option like cell link. I just click here and select the address like B3, which is B and 3, and $ is to make the constant. Now just okay, so you can see here if I just write here tick, so it gets true. If I just write here untick, so it gets false. This is how we just need to connect all the cells with the boxes. So I just need to write here manually for all the cells. I just go here and format control perform the same task for the other cells, and you can write the cells, or you can select the boxes as per your own needs and as per your own task requirements. I just complete the activity, which is our link the cell. So I have just linked all the cells. So you can see here if I just tick here, so it gives us the true, and if I just untick here, so it gives us the false. So now we have to link this true and false with our status. So how we can link? First, if it shows true, it means our task is completed, and if it shows us false, so it means our task is pending. So how we can get this status? We can use here if function. Like if I just write here if bracket open, if B3 equals to shows true, comma, inverted comma, we will get the status completed, inverted comma close, else inverted comma it shows pending and bracket close. Like if our cell which is address B3 shows true, so it will shows us completed, bracket inverted comma close comma, else if this statement is not valid, so it gives us the pending. Now I just press here enter, so you can see here pending because in the background we have false. Now if I just write here true, so you can see completed. Now you can see it shows the same thing here, like it has completed strike. So I just erase the strike so we can use here from the scratch. So now you can see we have completed our first task, which is to link the cell. Now I just need to drag it down, so here you can see it shows the same thing. Like if I just press here completed, so you can see it gets complete. If I just write here untick, so it says pending. Now we have erase, or we have to hide the background written words like true and false. So how we can use, we have to select all the cells and go here in the home, and in the home tab we can see our font, and in the font color we want to write here white, so you can see it is not visible now. So if I just write here tick, so it says completed. If I tick, it says uncompleted. So this is our first task completed. Now we have to just make it more attractive by just making it color and making it thick border box. Now we have just last thing remains, like what we have to do, we have to use here conditional formatting to strike after completing the task. Like if we just complete the task, so it will strike here and it shows completed. So how we can use such type of task? First we have to select the particulars which we want to perform, or we want to select all the tasks, and after selecting the tasks we can use here home, and in the home you can see here the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting you can select the new rule. I just go here in the new rule, a box will appear, and the box you can see here use a formula to determine which cells to format. I just select this cell, and after selecting you can see here the format values where the formula is true. Now we have to write here the formula like equals to, and then we just write here $sign to make constant, d our address d3 equals to inverted comma completed inverted comma close. Like this is our statement. Like after first selecting all the tasks, we will go here in the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting we will get the new rule or new format. After getting it, we have to select the use of formula, and the formula we have write it like equals to $sign for making it constant, and d3 we just selected d3 equals to completed, and if completed what task it will perform, we just use your format, and the format here you can see the strike. So here you can see the preview of it. So strike, if I just click here it will strike, and now I just need to write the color as well. So I just write here some color here, and just write here press OK, press here, so you can see here it has completed task and it has striked here. Like if I just write here press or tick here, so you can see the grocery, and if I just write here auto finance, so it will you can see here electricity, you can see here rent, and here you can see if you just go again here, so you can see manage, and in the manage you can see here format, and here we have done all our things, all our tasks which we have done. You can write here italic as well, so it will shows you italic. Like if I just untick here, so it gives the same format, but if I just tick here, so it will strike here and it will shows an in the italic function. This is how we can use the conditional formatting for the task and for the checkbox, and with the help of this checkbox we will know what tasks we have completed and what tasks are still pending. And thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.